What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this packet. Well, let's open this thing, then you can understand what this is. It's a bit of heavy. Oh. Wow, that's a black thing. Can you guess what this is? Okay, let me show you. This is a projector screen, and this is the back side, all black, and that's the front side. That's the screen with a black border on all the sides, and mounting holes are there, as you can see. So it's a good one, and it's not a cloth, it's a flex type thing, and PVC kind of thing, I guess. So you cannot iron it directly. You can use the iron to make it flat using a cloth on it. Then you can lightly iron it, not very high temperature. You cannot use a high temperature. So that's it. Now this is a 100-inch screen, so you can understand how big it's gonna be. So I'm gonna mount this on my wall right there. So let's go for that. Alright, so that's the screen itself. I'm gonna mount it right here on this wall. As you can see, all the setup are there, the speakers and all, and the background, the wall was set for the projection, but the wall is getting damaged every time, and I keep painting it, but it's still get damped and get damaged. So I'm gonna mount that projection screen on the wall, and as you can see, my Epson projector, which I have shown you before in a lot of video, is projecting, and I have just mounted this projection screen using this two rope right there, one on this corner and another on this corner. So it is hanging just like this, but still you can see how bright the picture is, and clear, and also the color. And the nice thing is that the black is purely black on this screen, so that is a nice thing. And later I'm going to mount it properly using those holes right there. You can see I'm going to mount it using the screws to the wall. So that's it. Now let's check a trailer and all, and check the quality. And also, as this is a shiny thing, and I was thinking that it maybe reflect the lights, maybe shining on the screen, but it is not, and it's very good. So let's check some trailers. Right, so the main light is on, as you can see, very bright. And now I'm gonna turn this thing off, and let's check the trailers.
$497, $498, $499, $500.
Let's go, Heavy. Got it. Good evening, ladies. What are you so excited about? Of course, your boyfriend's here. Freak! Someone took Nick. We're gonna find him.
I'm bringing in Jack O'Malley.